Question number 1. Which preposition correctly completes the sentence? He is sitting dash the chair. Option A in, option B on, option C at, option D beside. The correct answer is B on. Question number 2. Identify the correct preposition. The book is dash the table. Option A over, option B on, option C under, option D in. The correct answer is B on. Question number 3. Complete the sentence. She hit dash the bed to avoid being seen. Option A under, option B on, option C behind, option D at. The correct answer is A under. Question number 4. Choose the correct preposition. I have been waiting dash you for an hour. Option A 2, option B off, option C 4, option D in. The correct answer is C 4. Question number 5. Which preposition fits? The meeting will start dash 10 a.m. Option A at, option B on, option C in, option D by, option. The correct answer is option A at. Question number 6. Complete the sentence. He jumped dash the river to save the child. Option A into, option B on, option C over, option D at. The correct answer is A into. Question number 7. Identify the preposition. The school is located dash the hill. Option A in, option B on, option C at, option D beside. The correct answer is B on. Question number 8. Choose the correct preposition. She was born dash January. Option A on, option B in, option C at, option D 2. The correct answer is B in. Question number 9. Which preposition completes the sentence? The train is arriving dash the platform. Option A 2, option B in, option C on, option D at. The correct answer is D at. Question number 10. Fill in the blank. The dog is hiding dash the table. Option A under, option B on, option C over, option D in. The correct answer is A under. Question 11. Select the appropriate preposition. He walked dash the park to get some fresh air. Option A in, option B on, option C through, option D over. The correct answer is C through. Question number 12. Which preposition fits? The keys are dash my pocket. Option A on, option B in, option C at, option D by. The correct answer is B in. Question number 13. Complete the sentence. We shall meet dash Monday to discuss the project. Option A in, option B on, option C at, option D by. The correct answer is B on. Question number 14. Identify the correct preposition. He is known dash his generosity. Option A by, option B for, option C in, option D at. The correct answer is B for. Question number 15. Filling the blank. The cat jumped dash the wall to escape. Option A over, option B on, option C in, option D by. The correct answer is A over. Question number 16. Select the appropriate preposition. They travel dash the train to reach the city. Option A by, option B in, option C on, option D at. The correct answer is A. By. Question number 17. Complete the sentence. The event is scheduled the next week. Option A for, option B on, option C in, option D at. The correct answer is C in. Question number 18. Choose the correct preposition. I am not good dash the mat. Option A on, option B at, option C in, option D with. The correct answer is B at. Question number 19. Identify the preposition. The painting hangs dash the wall in the living room. Option A over, option B on, option C under, option D beside. The correct answer is B on. Question number 20. Complete the sentence. She is standing dash the bus stop waiting for the bus. Option A at, option B in, option C on, option D by. The correct answer is A at. Question number 21. Select appropriate preposition. The movie starts dash 8 p.m. sharp. Option A on, option B at, option C in, option D by. The correct answer is B at. Question number 22. Which preposition fits the river flows dash the valley? Option A through, option B on, option C over, option D beside. The correct answer is A through. Question number 23. Filling the blanks. The bridge was built dash the river in 1990. Option A across, option B over, option C under, option D by. The correct answer is B over. Question number 24. Choose the correct preposition. I am fond dash classical music. Option A to, option B off, option C in, option D at. The correct answer is B off. Question number 25. Complete the sentence. The plane flew dash the clouds during the storm. Option A through, option B over, option C under, option D on. The correct answer is A through. Question number 26. Identify the preposition. He is hiding dash the curtains to scare his brother. Option A on, option B in, option C behind, option D beside. The correct answer is C behind. Question number 27. Which preposition completes the sentence? We shall arrive dash the station in 10 minutes. Option A on, option B at, option C in, option D to. The correct answer is B at. Question number 28. Filling the blank. The boat sailed dash the island before docking. Option A around, option B at, option C on, option D in. The correct answer is around. Question number 29. Choose the appropriate preposition. He is dependent dash his parents for financial support. Option A on, option B at, option C in, option D by. The correct answer is on. Question number 30. Identify the preposition. She spoke dash the microphone to address the crowd. Option A on, option B through, option C into, option D by. The correct answer is C into. Question number 31. Complete the sentence. The package was sent express delivery. Option A on, option B in, option C by, option D at. The correct answer is question number 32. Which preposition fits? The answer lies the text of the document. Option A in, option B on, option C over, option D by. The correct answer is A. In. Question number 33. Filling the blanks. The baby is sleeping. Dash the bed peacefully. Option A on. Option B in. Option C at. Option D under. The correct answer is A on. Question number 34. Select the correct preposition. They are walking. Dash the beach enjoying the sunset. Option A on. Option B in. Option C at. Option D by. The correct answer is A on. Question number 35. Choose the appropriate preposition. I am worried. Dash my upcoming exams. Option A in. Option B on. Option C about. Option D at. C about. Question number 36. Complete the sentence. He lives dash a small village near the mountains. Option A on. Option B in. Option C at. Option D beside. The correct answer is B in. Question number 37. Which preposition fits? The teacher is standing. Dash the students in the classroom. Option A among. Option B in. Option C on. Option D over. The correct answer is A among. Question number 38. Filling the blank. The gift was placed. Dash the Christmas tree. Option A on. Option B in. Option C under. Option D by. The correct answer is C under. Question number 39. Select the correct preposition. She is leaning. Dash the table to reach the book. Option A on. Option B against. Option C at. Option D by. The correct answer is B against. Question number 40. Choose the appropriate preposition. He apologized. Dash the mistake he made. Option A for. Option B on. Option C in. Option D at. The correct answer is A for. Question number 41. Identify the preposition. She is proud. Dash her achievements in academics. Option A of. Option B in. Option C at. Option D on. The correct answer is A of. Question number 42. Complete sentence. The path runs dash the forest to the lake. Option A through. Option B in. Option C on. Option D by. The correct answer is A through. Question number 43. Which preposition fits? I was surprised. Dash his decision to resign. Option A on. Option B at. Option C in. Option D about. The correct answer is B at. Question number 44. Filling the blank. The train went dash the tunnel before reaching the station. Option A through. Option B over. Option C on. Option D by. The correct answer is A through. Question number 45. Choose the appropriate preposition. She afraid dash heights. Option A off. Option B on. Option C at. Option D by. The correct answer is A off. Question number 46. Complete the sentence. He was accused dash stealing the wallet. Option A off. Option B on. Option C in. Option D at. The correct answer is A off. Question number 47. Identify the preposition. He stayed dash the home because it was raining heavily. Option A in. Option B at. Option C on. Option D by. The correct answer is B at. Question number 48. Complete the sentence. She threw the ball dash the window accidentally. Option A, in. Option B, out of. Option C, on. Option B, under. The correct answer is B. Question number 49. Choose the correct preposition. The bird flew dash the sky searching for food. Option A, on. Option B, over. Option C, in. Option D, through. The correct answer is C, in. Question number 50. Filling the blank. The book was written dash a famous author in 20th century. Option A, by. Option B, on. Option C, in. Option D, for. The correct answer is A, by. Question number 51. Which preposition fits the car stop dash the red traffic light? Option A, in. Option B, at. Option C, on. Option D, by. The correct answer is B, at. Question number 52. Select the correct preposition. He was walking dash the edge of the cliff carefully. Option A, along. Option B, on. Option C, over. Option D, in. The correct answer is A, along. Question number 53. Complete the sentence. The meeting was postponed dash further notice. Option A, on. Option B, at. Option C, until. Option D, for. The correct answer is C, until. Question number 54. Identify the preposition. The ball rolled dash the stairs and into the garden. Option A, under. Option B, over. Option C, down. Option D, by. The correct answer is C, down. Question number 55. Filling the blank. We travel dash foot to explore the historic town. Option A, by. Option B, on. Option C, in. Option D, at. The correct answer is B, on. Question number 56. Choose the correct preposition. The children are playing dash the playground. Option A, at. Option B, in. Option C, on. Option D, by. The correct answer is B, in. Question number 57. Identify the preposition. He placed the painting carefully dash the mantelpiece. Option A, on. Option B, over. Option C, above. Option D, at. The correct answer is A, on. Question number 58. Filling the blank. The village lies dash the mountains surrounded by dense forest. Option A, beyond. Option B, at. Option C, under. Option D, across. The correct answer is A, beyond. Question number 59. Choose the correct preposition. She looked dash the mirror before heading out. Option A, at. Option B, on. Option C, in. Option C, through. The correct answer is question number 60. Complete the sentence. The cat leaped dash the roof to escape the dog. Option A, onto. Option B, at. Option C, under. Option D, along. The correct answer is A, onto.